Welcome to DataPencil.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our 50-day SQL practice challenge. First of all, a huge congratulations to all the learners who are consistently participating in our 50-day SQL challenge. Your dedication, consistency and hard work are truly amazing to watch. And yes, our top 4 performers have now been officially released. You can visit our official website and check your name there. So now let's quickly begin with our day 42. And yesterday we have created the raw tables. We have seen the ER diagram. On the basis of this ER diagram, we have created all 5 raw tables. So on today 42, we are going to create a duplicate tables that will be named as cleaned customers, clean products, clean orders and so on. Alright, so why we are doing this? So that whatever changes we will make in the future, that will not affect the source. The source is our raw table. Alright, so first of all, you will have to create duplicate tables. And you already know the code for that, as we have done the same thing in our earlier days. So I'm just giving here a summary to all of you that this will be the code, and using this one we will create all 5 tables, the duplicate tables. All right, the data type will be same for now, which will be varchar only. At the end, after performing the cleaning part, we will change the data type. Okay, so this will be your first task. Here you have to create the duplicate tables for all 5 tables: customers, products, orders, order details and payments. Now, the second step will be you have to start the cleaning step by step. So here we are breaking the cleaning in 4 sub steps. So the first step will be to remove the spaces. All right, whatever extra space will be there, we will remove it by using the trim. Okay, so this will be the code that we are going to use to remove the space. After making sure that all extra or unnecessary spaces are removed, we will move towards the standardization of our text. Means if there is a customer name, so its first letter should be in uppercase. Okay, if it is a city column, then the first letter should be in uppercase. So likewise, we will standardize our text. This will be applicable to all the columns that are using the string. Okay, it means if there is any text, then this standardization thing will be applicable to all those columns. Now, after removing the unnecessary spaces and standardize the text, the next thing will be to remove or replace null values. So we have to check our city, customer name and sign up date. If in case there is any null value, then city will be replaced with the unknown value. Okay, customer name will also be get replaced with the unknown value, and the sign up date will be replaced with this value, 1st January 2024. All right, so this is about the null values. After fixing the null values, we will move towards duplicate. Now we all know the rank function, the window functions, so it is easy for us to remove the duplicate. So this time we are going to remove duplicates using the rank function. All right, it means we are going to give the ranking to the rows based on their customer ID. Okay, it means we will do the partitioning by customer ID and then arranging the customer ID. So order by customer ID will be there. Okay, at last only those rows will get deleted where rank number will be greater than 1. It means the first row we will save here and the rest of the rows, okay, they will get deleted. So this is the code that we will use to remove the duplicate. Okay guys, so this thing I am showing you for the clean customers table, but the same thing, it means to check the space, to remove the space, standardize the text and null values, and at last duplicate fixation. These all 4 steps, sub steps, we will do for the remaining 5 tables too. Means for the products, orders, order details and the payments table. So your task is firstly to create the duplicate tables, and at the end for all 5 tables, just remove space, standardize text, fix null values and fix duplicate values. Okay, so just do this task, submit your work via submission form, and tomorrow we will move towards second step for the cleaning part. So it will be about the fixation of date, as well as we will fix our data types too, because for now the data type is set as varchar. Okay, so this we have to change. So tomorrow we will see how to change the data type. If you will face any difficulty while doing the cleaning part, please do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely help you out. All right, so just complete it and submit your work. So see you tomorrow guys with our day 43 tasks. Take care, keep practicing. Bye bye.